My name is Alex, and I'm a skating coach at Kyoto School. I joined the Kyoto family back then in 2014. The thing that I particularly like about the Kyoto School is the culture. Kyoto School normally gives people room to develop. They always trust in the people. They always focus on the people. Then there's genuine love in Kyoto. You know, when I joined the school back then in 2014, I never thought that the school will become this big. So we used to wonder, because I used to talk to some of the coaches that, the ones that we started with. So we used to wonder, will the school become big? What will happen to the school if it doesn't grow? But one of the things that used to make us feel that we could not leave this, is the directors, like Mr. Chris used to always to encourage us. Guys, don't leave. There's an opportunity for you here. And he believed in us. Then, so since then, we have grown with him. He has always been our friend. He listens to us. Yeah. My earliest and fondest memory of Kyoto School is when Kyoto School began, back then in 2014. I remember the school had only 7 students, and out of the 7 students, only 2 had joined or had enrolled for skating. So it was quite difficult and challenging, but we saw an opportunity in the school, and we knew that one day the school will become big. And by the grace of God, the school has tremendously grown in a span of 6 years. I miss the students so much. I miss the noise, I miss the interaction, because I believe that most of the students used to interact a lot with them, when you're doing skating, competition, the way they compete, so that is one of the things that I miss a lot about not being in school. My life has really changed. That one I cannot, because the kind of sport that I do, it consists of you being very interactive with the students or the people that you're coaching. So it's like I'm alone. For the first time in my life, I stayed like 4 straight months at home, which is something that I've never ever done before. I think we just have to stick with the guidelines. This thing will come. I believe that this thing will come to an end. So we are very hopeful, and we pray that this thing will come to an end and our lives will go back to normal. So stay safe, pray, and let's stick to the guidelines that the government has given, and everything will be all right.